What is up, YouTube? Back here with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at the Power Rangers signing collection, Red Time Force Ranger. I picked this up at GameStop, and I paid like $20 for it. I actually don't collect Power Ranger stuff. It's just that I couldn't find anything. I went all the way over there. I took the bus. I didn't drive, and I didn't find anything. I went to Best Buy. Didn't find nothing. Walmart, didn't find nothing. I was looking for the Audition Marty McFly by NECA. Couldn't find it, and I just couldn't find nothing. And I didn't want to leave empty-handed. And I figured, well, Time Force is one of my favorite seasons, so it's like, what the heck? I'll pick it up. And I did a lot of thinking, but I did decide to pick it up after all. So here it is, the front, the box right there, really cool. There's the side. There's the back right there. Now there he is out of the box right there. Back, really cool. Again, this is one of my favorite seasons of Power Rangers. Let me show you first. So they're stacked together like that. And there's with his gun. Here, comes with two hands right there. And he comes with the head. That's there he is right there. Really cool. Like the lightning as well. So there he is. The Red Time Force Rangers, but lightning collection. Really cool. Happy to have this guy in my collection. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.